Okay, now let's look on to the filament. I think the package was so good, and there was a silicone gel to absorb the moisture on the filament. And I said silky gold and silk gold. The filament was good, and the package is also good, no issue. That transparent spool was so attractive. We can see how much filament is left. So perfect. I had printed a menorah from that filament. Look at that shine. I was absolutely stunned with that. I have ordered 4 filaments. So check on my videos. I will post